because we can see them, but we can't do much about it. Do you reckon I can row this?
Yeah, mate.
One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Oh, oh. Yeah. I don't want to get wet. That's all. Can we? Do you want to go that way?
Yeah.
Go up the. Yeah, go up the. Is everyone all right? Feeling all right? You feeling all okay? You can still hold on, but. Oh, good. All right. We'll come round.
Now then, James, what have you been doing?
Yeah. Just pull us over. Pull us towards you.
Where's this from?
We just stole it.
That's our thing going up in.
You're right. Just don't tip me in because I've got everything on still. That's constant Smith for the media. You're right. Just hold on here. Just got. I really need to get this gentleman on. He's hurt his shoulder. It's probably a lot easier trying to get. Maybe one of the girls can have a jump in with us. You can jump in with us with the dog, and then can we try and get him into yours? If that's all right.
Okay. Do not push on me. Do you reckon you can get yourself up there if I can help you?
So we've got 2 elderly gentlemen that we're struggling to get them in these boats. So we're going to need a...
There's a little tinny coming now.
Yeah, and can you call an ambulance?
Yeah.
Through water exposure.
Up you go. Shoulder.
Alright, thank you.
You're in. Yes. Right.
Hang on. So, check that.
Right, we'll get him.
Alright, just...
The hips to the knee.
You're good. Yeah, I know. So I got my paddling done for the day.
The drill work. Get you over this on the boat. Alright, bend this arm back. Put it into the lifesaver.
If we can't get him on, what's your thoughts, Derek, around hooking up the front of the boat and dragging it closer to shore? And I can leave Steve there with him, and we can slowly drag it in and get into shore.
Can he get back into that issue?
We've tried once. It's a bit high. We haven't tried that one yet, and that one's a bit lower than everything. So we're probably going to need a couple to. We're going to try and lift him up, or we just tow it in really slowly.
I think Dad's going to go get a surfboard.
Yeah. Mate's finished, just so everyone knows. So the mate goes about them.
Stay in the car.
Hey, that will just get you up. Do you mind just standing on the jetty and film those?
Got it.